Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Honda Pilot headlight bulb. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb, typically an H11. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down to prevent any burns. Then, open the hood and locate the back of the headlight assembly, which is where we will be working. Now, let's get to the old bulb. Gently disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling it away. Next, grasp the base of the bulb and twist it counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn. This will unlock it from the headlight housing. Carefully pull the old bulb straight out. Remember to avoid touching the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands. With the old bulb out, it's time for the new one. Carefully insert the new bulb into the headlight housing, making sure the tabs on the bulb align with the slots in the housing. Once it's seated, twist the bulb clockwise until it locks firmly into place. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector to the back of the new bulb. You should hear a click, indicating it's secure. Before you close everything up, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight. Make sure both the low beam and high beam functions are working correctly and that the light output is consistent. If everything looks good, you can now close your hood. Remember to dispose of the old bulb properly at a recycling center. You've successfully replaced your Honda Pilot headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.